Hi, I'm Julie Olinger with the Hubert Company. Today I'd like to show you why our Hubert brand servers are a great solution for dispensing dairy-based beverage products. So these servers are great for dairy-based products because they are made from an all stainless steel body with a vacuum insulation, and that really helps maintain the temperature of your product for up to 3 hours. But the most important feature of these servers when using with dairy-based products is the fact that our lids actually do come apart for easy cleaning. So just take the lid off of the server and then follow the arrows on the underside of the lid. And these two parts twist apart so that you can clean all the nooks and crannies really, really well so that the milk product is not sitting in there and spoiling. So take these apart and then wash them, dry them, put them back together, and put the lid back on the server and you're ready to go. In addition to the all stainless steel body, we also offer these servers in a few different imprint styles. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thanks for watching.